Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I am going to show you how you can create a YouTube video thumbnail using Canva. So let's begin. First, make sure that you are connected with the internet, and once connected with the internet, simply go and open your any internet browser, and here you can type canva.com, and here after this display, you need to click on create a design, and here click on YouTube thumbnail. After the loading, here you can see that I have a new window. For example, I want to create a thumbnail for my this video topic, how to create account well said labs, and how to create account on well said labs, on well said labs and use it. First, here first I want to download well said logo in google.com. Here I need to search well said labs logo, then click on images. For example, I want to add this logo in my thumbnail. Save images as, then click on png images and click on save. After the download, here tap on uploads, then click on upload files. Here in downloads, click on and go to all downloads, and here click on Wellsat Labs logo. First, I want to change the background color of this background. After this, click on there. Here you can see that I have Wellsat Lab logo, and then click on text and tap on add heading, and here you need to write this text without how to create account on Wellsted Labs and use it. And here you can see that my logo has been done, and my thumbnail has been done. So I want to click on share, then click on download, and after the clicking on download, here you can see that my thumbnail has been started downloaded. And this way you can create also your YouTube video thumbnail by using Canva. If you feel this video helpful for you, please like the video and subscribe to our channel. Good luck.